Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I first of all welcome you. I'm really pleased to have all of you here in the meeting. We're here to discuss of how our project is going to go in the next coming up few months of this semester. Uh, Confirming the agenda of this meeting today is that we have to reshuffle the positions of each, reshuffle the positions of each designation of our group, and it's because yeah, we've had some feedback from our coach previously, and depending upon those feedbacks, we have to change our positions. Next up is the introduction of everybody in the group. I am Safi Hussain, and I'm the leader of the group. I'm going to lead you for the rest of the semester in this project, and I would like for you, all of you to introduce yourselves.
Yeah, good evening. I'm Esther Rana, and I'll be the quality controller for this project, and I'll be controlling the quality for our work and on the time, and submitting our assignments on due time.
Hi everybody, my name is Furqan Yusuf, and my role in the group is as editor. I have to edit everything which I would get from every person of the group. So I have to produce the final report. Then we can send to the coach.
Thank you very much, everyone. Now, what I'm going to discuss right now, what I really wanted to discuss today is the minutes of the last meeting, because we got to sit down with our coach and we discussed of what we have to do and what we haven't been doing in the previous 2 weeks of this semester. What I came to know is that the quality control of our team working right now on the project is not really good enough. And second thing that I came to know was that we're not submitting our interval, our regular submission of reports each week. We're not doing it on time. And the third thing is, that the coach raised was that we're not doing our research on the internet properly. It has to be increased, the time on the research has to be increased. And fourth and last thing is that the coach wanted us to review our positions in the group. And I think it is pretty reasonable to review our positions in the group, because some people don't want to work in their positions which they have already, and some people really want to work in the same position if they want to. And some people are leaving, like Shazib is not coming, he didn't come today, and he doesn't want to work as an editor. So me, I don't want to work as a leader as well. And I would like to ask you guys, if you want to get or grab any of the position that you really want, you can go ahead and you can tell me why do you want to do it.
I think that the problem about quality control is due to the quality controller, and I think that quality controller is not doing his job very well. But I think, and furthermore, it is not only the job of quality controller to check each and everything. I think everybody is responsible in the group. Mm-hmm. So everybody has to check his own work before sending to the quality controller. Quality controller cannot do the more research. It is the quality of report is not so good because it is not because of quality controller. I think because of everybody's input. Because everybody has different mistakes in their tasks.
Yeah.
So before submitting to the work, I hope that we should sit together and
discuss about what should be the quality of each report that we
each
send.
report. Yeah.
Each report that we send. Yeah, we can do it better by comparing our reports with the good quality reports that have been sent already. And we can also do it by going to the coach himself and asking him for some help. If he wants us to increase the quality, he should tell us how should we do it. And what are the how can you say the things that we don't have in our reports should also be told to us. So it needs a lot more discussion, and before we send our work to the quality controller, we have to check our work before handing it in. And similarly, it goes for Mr. Shariar, if he wants to change his position, or if you want to keep his position, or if there is something that you want.
Well, I have a suggestion for the quality control. The first thing we should do is just highlight the related quality we need in our reports. We should have a better understanding while we write the English because every person is writing for himself, and in the end, when we compile up together, it doesn't looks like one complete pattern of English. So if it has a similarity and symmetry for writing in our English, a formal way of writing English, it will increase a lot, and it will increase
the quality a lot.
and it will show our group work and coordination between the members, that how they're doing the work. And
so what do you think that you will do the same role as you are doing?
Yeah, I'm satisfied with this role, and actually I've been not given enough chance and not given enough time to spend on it, because still we are just figuring out who's going to take which project role at which time. And as you know, that is not complete. All the members are not functional at this moment.
Okay, good enough. So there it goes. You want to stay as the quality controller of the group. Okay. But for me, I don't want to be a leader anymore, because I don't think I can lead really good, because a leader should be somebody who has everything common with everyone and who could keep everybody intact. And I want to take the position of secretary.
I can show you.
Yeah. Yeah, so next up we're going to discuss the main business item. Due to the bad quality control, we have to revise a lot of work in our interim report 1. So, okay, our report 1 has to be revised back again. So what I need you guys to do is that, everybody, for now I'm a leader, so what I need you to do is that everybody who has made up their report of their own research work should send it on time. That means before 2 days of submission to the teacher, they have to send it to the quality controller of the group, so that he can check it in 2 days, and then he can send it to the finally send it to the coach.
Editor.
To the editor. And as far as shuffling of the position is concerned, I think Furqan, you can lead us way better than I am doing right now. And if you guys can, if it's okay for you guys, you can put me in the position of secretary, so that I can take on the communication part and also the minutes agenda and minutes meeting part as far as the job is concerned.
Furthermore, I have an announcement also, because Shadid told me that he is going to quit IBMS and he is going to start ICT.
Okay.
So we would be 3 people left in the group.
Okay.
So we also have the 4th person's work, which we have to divide among ourselves, and we have to do this. So what you think, if I would take as a leader, then already I am doing as a secretary. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then you will do the...
I'll take up the work of secretary from you, and I'll ask you to be the leader. And as far as editor's work is left, all of us will share it, because we can edit our work before we can send it.
Yeah, it is good. I think that everybody should do as good work as
possible.
We should not we should not spend too much energy on editing work.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And then, editing is something that, you can take out the work that you don't want your coach to see. That is called as editing. And we can do it while we're writing it down on the report. So I think all of this editor work can be divided in among all 3 of us, and then we can do it way better. Before sending the report to you, Mr. Quality Control, Mr. Rana, I think we have to edit it ourselves.
Yeah, but on the other hand, like for editing, I think editing is related to the quality controller, mainly for. So is the final product has to be done by the editor, right?
Yeah,
and the quality controller has to check that final product before it goes to send. So I think half the job is done when I control and see that what's going on before it launch, and I think 50% of the job of the editor is already been done if I am doing the quality controller. Okay. Yeah, so and the half 25% you divide among yourself before you submit your task to me.
Okay.
You check it yourself and make as much minimum error you can commit, and then we'll see.
Okay, good.
I can also help to everybody as a leader. If somebody needs my help, then he can talk to me without any hassle. That I can help somebody. Okay. And it is also up to everybody that if somebody needs somebody understands something way better than other, then he should put his input into the group work. Then we can save our time and energies.
That's fine.
May I
So-
proceed?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's about that's it for today, and we've discussed I think all of the matters that we had to discuss in this meeting. If anybody has to make any announcement, they're most welcome.
Yeah, already I discussed about the announcement, but I want to have an announcement that Shadeh told to me that he would not be joining the group anymore because
Okay.
he is going to quit the IBMS and he is going to ICT.
Yeah.
So this matter, I think that we should also discuss with our coach in our next
Yeah,
meeting. But
sure.
till now, we will do the Shadeh work as we have
Yeah.
already discussed.
Okay. That's understandable. What's the next date? What should be the next date? I think after a week we should have the next meeting for group.
7th of September.
7th of September. Let's we say
On Monday.
on Monday.
Yeah,
Next
it's
Monday we meet
Yeah,
again.
it's okay.
Yeah.
And the 6th hour, I think it's fine.
I think 6th hour.
Yeah, I'm going to write 6 hours.
6th hour is good enough for me.
Quarter past 1.
Quarter
Yeah.
past one.
That's fine. And you send us a copy of agenda before on
of course,
Sunday.
Of course.
On Sunday evening, I
Yeah.
think it's better we should just have.
Yeah, at 8 o'clock I would send the
Okay.
agenda. But the meeting this meeting, minutes of this meeting, I would send
Send it to
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because today I have to go somewhere.
Okay.
So it is better that I would send the minutes of this meeting tomorrow in the group mail that everybody can check.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Okay.
Good enough.
And from the next time I would be legal.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think now I have to close the meeting. Guys, gentlemen, it was really good having you
Yeah, thank you very
in
much.
the meeting.
Yeah.
And I think we have discussed all of the things that we had to.
Yeah.
It was nice dealing with you. Nice visit.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you very
Nice
much.
day.
Have a good day.
See you.
See you again next week.